Creating a website with Google Sites, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your own website using Google Sites. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or someone with a passion to share, having a website can open doors to countless opportunities. And with Google Sites, you can build your online presence quickly and easily without any prior coding knowledge. And this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of creating a professional login website on Google Sites, from setting up your account to customizing your site's design and editing content. We've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your very own website up and running, ready to showcase your ideas, projects, or business to the world. So let's dive and get started on building your website with Google Sites. So first of all, before we start, I just wanna say what Google Sites is for people who don't know. Google Sites offers a hassle-free website building experience, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than technical complexities. It's free platform provided by Google, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their budget or technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or an enthusiast wanting to share your passions with the world, Google Sites empowers you to create professional looking website with ease. So let's start our tutorial. So first of all, you open your web browser and navigate to the Google Sites website by typing sites.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your username and password to sign in. As you can see, I am already signed in. That's why I have here Google Sites homepage. Here you can click on this plus icon to create a new site or just add a new page here, inserting content blocks too, or incorporating various feature into your website. So let's click here as you can see uh, with a blank site, but to move faster, we'll quickly select a template. You can just click over here and choose which or choose a template that suits the content and correspond to your website requirements. We've got here different templates, for example, education, small business, work. So, for example, we'll choose one to more understand. We'll choose the first one, portfolio. So, as you can see, this is it with a pre-designed template to start. Starting with a pre-designed template offers a range of benefits that streamline the website development and process and empower you to create a professional, visually appealing website easily. Here on the right side hand of the screen, with three function to modify your website. We have here insert, pages, and theme. Um, Insert function allows you to add various types of content elements to your website. This includes, for example, text box, images, videos, links, maps, calendar, and more. Let's see, for example, under this, for example, under this image, I would like to add a content block with, for example, these two image. Uh, the only thing you have to do is select a place where you want to put it and then you click. As you can see, I can add images, videos, and I can add also text down below. Moreover, there is a variety stuff you can add it to your website. For example, a collapsible group, a button, a divider, a spacer, and other things related to Google, such as YouTube, Map, or Docs. Um, you can add it wherever you want and need in your website. Second function is pages. This function is referring to the individual sections or web pages that make up your website. Each page certain specific content or information related to a particular topic or aspect of your site. You can create pages, editing it, or organizing it. If you no longer need a page, you can just delete it. The third function is themes. Here you can choose themes where you want. For example, as you can see, theme is changing. Here is the name of the website, and if you wanna add your logo to or add a header, um, let's see the other option we have, or we do have here the ability to undo and redo, and the important one is here is helping you to know if your website need modification on how it looks like with a large screen or in tablet or also with phone. Um, if you finish your website and you wanna make it accessible to the public on the internet, you need just to click over here and uh, publish it, and it becomes viewable by anyone with the link or put here. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.